Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Oa, and if you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this black smoky eye makeup look with a twist of glitter. Guys, just look at that. Okay guys, I was not sure of smoky eye look because personally I just feel smoky eye are quite hard to do, especially during the process of creating a smoky eye. It never really looks good until you finish or until the end of the look. So however, this really turned out nice and I'm so pleased with it. And also, if you like to create this eye makeup look, I believe most black and most eyeshadow palettes will have a black eyeshadow color in it, so you can definitely create this look. However, I am just loving it and I'm happy for the fact that I added glitter to it. It just gives it that oomph. And yes, okay guys, if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe now. And now let's dive into the video. Okay guys, to start, I always go in with an eyeshadow primer. I'm using the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm taking a brush I got from TK Maxx. I can't remember the name. If I do, I'll leave the name in the description box. I'm blending that all over my eyelid, and I have to ensure that I blend that evenly before going in with eyeshadow. So now I'm going to be taking a Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I think the name is 39A. So I'm taking a very light shade in that palette, and I'm going to use that to set my eyeshadow primer, and I'm applying that all over my eyelid. Taking the orange color from the same palette with the Morphe blending brush, I am going to be applying that to my crease, and I'm blending that from the outer to the inner corners of my crease. I just have to ensure that I blend that out properly, and also I went back a couple of times. Now I am going to be taking the Inglot gel liner. You can use any gel liner you have at home, and it's going to be the base for the smoky eye. Also guys, remember there are no rules to makeup, and one thing you just have to ensure, you can do it however you see fit, but you just have to ensure that you blend them out properly, and also blending them, all the shades together, actually helps the look. They all come together. So you can completely skip this step. You don't have to use a gel liner. You can go straight with your black eyeshadow. That would work as well. Okay, after applying the gel liner to my other eye, then I went in with a black eyeshadow from the same palette. I'm using a brush from Techniques. I'm just going to set that gel liner. Obviously, you don't want it to start smudging everywhere, so it's always good to go back in with a matte black eyeshadow. So that's basically what I'm doing here, and as you can see, I'm kind of blending as I go along as well. So I'm also checking to make sure that I'm happy with the turnout or the look so far. I went back in with a very tiny blending brush. These brushes are from Morphe, and I will leave the names in the description box. Also, as you can see, I'm kind of blending that line to kind of get rid of any harsh line. I don't want any harsh line to be I don't want to see any harsh line, so I'm just going back and blending that and making sure that I blend the black eyeshadow with the gel liner. This point, I've gone back to the orange color that I used initially. I'm just applying that on top of where the black eyeliner stopped, so that just gives it like a softer look. And I'm just going back and forth, blending that up from the inner corners to the outer corners of my eye. I decided to go in with a bigger blending brush as well. This is also from the same set, so I'm just using the same shade. I'm blending that almost to my brow bone. So I'm doing the same thing on the other eye and just making sure. At this point, I kind of like the way it's looking, and I thought, why not just add some glitters? So I've got these two glitter that I'm going to be adding, and one of them is very chunky, it's kind of big, and the other one is very small. So I took my glitter glue from NYX. I'm just applying that all over the black eyeshadow first. And then I'll go in with the chunky glitter first and sort of apply that in the middle of my eyelid. I'm just dotting that everywhere, making sure that it's not too much because that's quite big. So I'm doing that, and then I'm going to go back into the glitter pot, and I'm using the smaller one, which is like a gold glitter. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's really nice, it's beautiful. I'm going to be doing another eye makeup look with this glitter because I really love this glitter. So I'm just applying that all over and making sure that I apply that to the black eye shadow. Okay guys, you can see it looks amazing. Just look at that. Especially when you have hooded eyes, glitter just pops. It just pops on your eyelid. I love this eyeshadow look. I'm really in love with it. Okay guys, now I've gone ahead and applied my foundation and my concealer. As you can see, it looks amazing. So now I'm just going to do my lower lash line. So doing that, I'm taking a very tiny brush. I'm going to take the black eyeshadow again in that palette. So I'm using the same black eyeshadow that I used initially. I'm just going to apply that along my lower lash line. So I'm not putting that in my waterline. So as you can see, I'm connecting that dot. This really just kind of enhanced the look, in my opinion, you know. Yeah. So I'm going back in with a bigger blending brush. It's all from the same palette and the same set. And I'm taking that orange shade and I'm applying that underneath where I sort of applied the black eyeshadow. I'm just using that to blend out the black eyeshadow to avoid any harsh lines. You can see it looks amazing with that blend, and it just kind of married the looks from the top to the bottom. So you guys, to finish up the look, I decided to go in with my Mary Kay highlight palette. I've used this before in my previous video. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave the link in this video as well. So I'm taking a very fluffy brush again. I'm going to take the highlight color in that palette. I'm using that. I'm just taking a little bit on my brush and I'm going to put that underneath my brow bone just to highlight that area. Can you see that? I actually use this on my cheekbone as well, so I use the same highlight on my cheekbone. Can you see how glowy that looks? Oh my gosh, I love this product. This is one of my favorite product from Mary Kay, and it's really amazing. I've been using it, I've been loving it. I also use the contour stick, the contour part as well, so it's really nice. As you can see, I'm also adding that to my nose, the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose as well, and also on my lip before going in with my lip, just to kind of, you know, just highlight that bit and complete the look. Guys, let me know if you've tried this Mary Kay palette. It's really nice. I love it. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried it, if you use it as well. I don't know if it's only me just using it, so it's really, really nice. I love this palette. Yeah. Now I am going to be doing my lips. Basically, I am using just a lip gloss with a lip liner. I think the lip liner I use is from MAC, the Chestnut, and I'm using a lip gloss from NARS because I have a very bold eyeshadow look, so I'm not going to be doing so much on my lips, just a little bit of a lip gloss and a lip liner. That should do, because I don't want to draw so much attention to the lips, so the attention should be on the eyes. Guys, look at this. Tell me what you guys think. This is beautiful. I love it. Anyway, if you do love this look as well, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. At this point, I am just feeling myself. I'm just enjoying the look, and I'm like, wow, this turns out really, really well, guys. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you'd like to see more of my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of my uploads. I upload new videos every week, so I hope you've enjoyed it and you want to stick around and see more of all the juicy eye makeup look that I'm going to be creating. If you want to see how I transform this unit to from a color 1B to this lovely golden highlight, let me know in the comment section, and I would sure to upload a video about it. Thank you guys, and have a lovely day. Bye.